Well, we got a nice paint job. Well, this is your show. Let's press the button for us.
Oh, the other one's not even home, but the left one's going down.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah, that's a glitch. Okay, the other one's...
Okay, where is
Wait,
it?
it's coming back up. I don't even know if it is broken, honestly.
It might be broken.
I mean... Oh, Lord. Oh, wait, it's coming up.
I think it's giving us the fun one first.
Wait. Okay, it's here.
Is this the one you got stuck in last time?
No, it's on the other side.
Ah. Oh,
Alright.
boy. Oh boy.
This one.
Alright.
Alright.
We'll send it down?
Send her down. They fixed the door. These doors were having problems a couple weeks back, and they changed like the door pattern on it. Oh god, that is not good.
This is modded the same way as Bloomingdale's.
Yep.
Exactly the same. They still left the old indicator up there.
And there's no handrail here. They just put.
Yeah, they didn't even put a handrail here because that was always gone. And even with the mod, they didn't put a new one in. I'm pretty sure these are new too.
Yeah, these are new, and the cabs.
Oh boy. Actually no. It's not. Whoa.
What is that? That's
It's wet. There's water down there. There's water in the pit.
Not good. All right, 3.
All right.
And the lantern actually doesn't like ring. All right, here we go. The fun part's coming right now. Oh, right.
The motor sounds like an old Otis, if you know what I mean.
We can go back down. LL.
Does the alarm work?
The alarm does not work. You fail. And there's your indicator. And that's there. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this cab is dirty. This is not surprising.
This was modded what?
Oh, God. What is that? Wait, what is that other noise?
That could be the other one.
No, it's this one. Because it did it last time. Anyway, we'll just call it back up to 3. And then because the lantern will actually ring this time if I do that.
What
Yeah,
alarm?
the lantern just rung. Lantern, yep.
I'll watch the numbers this time.
Slight delay. Alright.
Jeez.
Let's go to 2.
Just go to 2?
Yep.
Alright. Get a nice view in the...
That is delayed. I don't know why it does that. We'll get the other one.
There's Nordstrom. Yeah, we're gonna try to get the other one here.
I'll send it down. Wonderful doors. The top one. Yeah, just call it up. It'll come.
Yep, it's coming.
But really, we'll go down.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, this paint job was not here when I visited last time. Oh!
Yeah, that's...
See the old panels
It's
with
better
the old
on the first
engines.
floor. We'll end it on 1, so I'll show you what it's like.
We'll still take this one for a full round trip.
We'll go back, we'll go down first, even though it thinks it's going up. You'll see what the indicator does.
Oh, what the
You'll see
freak?
what the indicator does. Okay. It takes a second, but it does that. Also, this alarm I think is dead. Oh, actually, never mind. This one actually had no lights on like a month ago. And no fan either, so it was really spooky.
I like how they have no cameras in these anymore. They used to have fat cameras on the corners.
Yeah.
It just like completely got rid of them.
Perfect.
Nice view of the wall.
Oh, actually, speaking of, the other side is a different paint job on the walls. 3. And this lantern shine was like very faint. If you go up close to it, you'll hear it.
Yeah, I heard it. Alright.
Motor. This one's a different shine.
Sounds like it really does sound like a muffled Otis motor. Watch the doors. Actually, it wasn't as bad here. It was worse on 2.
Ooh, that's a drop. Slight drop. We'll go to 2 once. Yeah, we'll end it on 2, I think.
We can.
Because yeah, the doors are terrible. It's worse from the outside. But the doors are like different on every floor. I've noticed. Like they close differently on, especially these ones. Yeah. The floors are the same for all these mods.
Yeah.
Those buttons are really satisfying to press though.
I like TR. I like monitor buttons in general.
1, 2, 3. I'll get a shaft view. Oh, the other one's actually down here.
See if we like send it up. Wait, let's see a stupid.
No, it doesn't. Actually, the other side you can do that though.
Nope, it did. Wait, nope, it went up. Wait, so that means you're gonna get to hear it. Nope, it just went to.
The other one is squeaky as it levels. Up to 3. Alright, numbers.
Jeez. This one runs a lot better though.
Yeah, 2. Second. That lantern is so faint. Slight drop. Yeah, this one does run better.
Yeah, this one's the better one. For sure,
I
for
think
sure.
'cause the other one squeaks. The elevator 17 is a squeaker. Alright, watch the doors close. Okay.
Oh God. Oh my God.
Terrible. Oh yeah, roll again.
I want to do that again. I gotta get good footage of this. Here it goes.
Terrible. Oh, the other one's going up.
Oh, wait.
This one's gonna go up. This one's not squeaking. Once it goes up. Oh, wait, no,
Nope, it's going down. Okay, well, that's it. I'll get my thumbnail picture. And that's it.